All right. Welcome, guys. Welcome. So simple interest. Somebody asked me to go through it, the basics again. So guys, let me just start off with the formula. So simple interest is basically the interest. Can be on a loan or a capital, whatever it may be, right? And we define simple interest as this. Can I use SI? So it's the principal times the time times the rate. Let me explain each one of them. The principal, as I say, can be the startup money or the loan or borrow, whatever, right? The time should be in years, time in years. The in years is very important, guys, because if they give you months, you should convert it. So if they give 36 months, you convert it to years. How would we convert 36 months to years? If you have 36 months, how many years that? And of course,
Divided by
R,
12, sir.
yeah, you divide by 12. And you have R, which is the rate, and that's how the 100 come in because it's percentage, right? Normally in percentage and percent mean out of 100. Somebody asked me to go over that. Them so all right, cool. So we are going to use this formula. Sometimes we might transpose it, especially in CXC. Sometimes they will give you the simple interest, the principal, the time, and ask you to find the rate. I will transpose it. Further on, I will show you guys that. All right. So it says find the simple interest on £500 invested at 6% for 3 years. So the first thing you do, you check if the time is in years. It is. So we can say this is the time, this is our R, and this is our principal. So all we have to do, just put it in the formula, right? So this is your simple interest. We know that the principal, let me write it again. I try to reinforce it, right? Next year, all of me in law school, more you do city and guilds, all of you are do city and guilds stage 3, as you guys can manage. So it will be 500. The time is 3 years, and your times is by 6 over 100. All right, so 5 3 is 15, and that 90. So one of my prep student is on, and she also got all correct. Very good. All right, so that will be 90. And then 2 says, find the simple interest when $200 is invested at 7% for 4 years. The simple interest is equal to the principal times the time times the rate, which over 100, right? So therefore, the principal would have been 200 times 7 times 4. And of course, percent mean out of 100, so that from the 7%, you get the 100, right? So this cancel. 100 into 200 goes 2 times. 2 sevens, 14. And then 14 times that. I think that's a 56. And a pound again, right? Notice the pound business is a British paper. This is on City and Guilds as well as CXC. So it will be 17 square. Oh, 74 is 28 and 2 56. Yeah. I was just double checking my answer. You have to do that sometimes, right? Double check if the answer is correct. All right. 3 says find the simple interest when $100 is invested for 9% at 4 years. Clearly, we can say the 100, I can see the 100. That's all. So the answer 9 times 4. Very good, guys. That's how the 36. Good job. Look at this number. I think there is 10 questions in total. In total. So let's see if we can do some more. All right, so do 4 and 5, and then we can discuss. Number 5, look at number 5 carefully. I like it already. All right, so we're at number 4, and it says find the simple interest when £600 at 9% for 4 years, right? So simple interest is equal to 600 times 9 times 4. We know the formula by now. We now have to put. So 6 nines, 54, right? And then 54 times 4, 4, 4, 16, 4, 5, 20, and then 21. So it will be 260. Yeah, write them pounds up. Yeah, write it. And I take some of the pounds though. For this one, guys, I think because I put the word amount, we should put the amount. Alright, so it's a find the total amount. So first they give us 90. So simple interest would be 9,500 times 10 times 5. This will be 95 times 10, that's a 950, right? We just add a 0, and then times square root. So 900, 55, 25, 5945, and that 47. So because these are the inches, we talk about this last week, right? When you're finding the amount, you add that to the original. So this is 95 plus 475. You may use my calculator. What's the point of doing that? Because you don't want it to be a case where we have each just one class 14 to 50. Very good job. Very good job. Now let's move on to number 6 and 7. If we could do all 10, guys, it would be awesome. I know some person will finish. So we're up to 8 now. We have 22 minutes. Yeah, we can do it now. Can do it. Pause the video. So actually, number 6 says find the final amount. Notice from you see them to final, me I think so we are paying odds, right? So simple interest is equal to P times T times R. And of course, 2 over 100. So 1150 times 9 times 3 over 1. Guys, now punch my calculator because the time of go. Alright, so when I punch it in my calculator, 11, 5, 90 is about 27. I get 30,105, and I'm gonna add that to the original, which is this. So I'll add this to this, and that gives you 14,645 pounds. Alright. This one says find the final amount when 3,500 invested at 9% simple interest for 2 years. So the simple interest is P times T times R over 100. Alright, so it's 35 times 9 times 2. Guys, remember to check if the years. Yeah, remember to check if the years, if it's year or months. That's very important, right? So I'm going to multiply now. I'm going to start using my calculator. 3,500 times 9 to our 18. And then we divide by 2. Oh, we divide by 100, which gives me 630. So that's the interest, right? But we want the final amount, so we just add the original with the in. So it's 35. Remember the interest that we have to pay upon it, you know. So you still have to pay about the 35. So you add 630 to this. 0, 3, 5, and 6, 11, 4, 1, 30 pounds. Alright. The one here now, the last one for the day. Tomorrow the other two. Find the final amount when 28,500 is invested at 9% for 2 years. So simple interest is equal to P times, I'm going to switch device here to CXC plus R over 100. So you guys did excellent as usual. So 9 times 2 Here we go. 100. Guys, now I use the calculator for speed. Speed, speed. My calculator give me 5130. All right, and I need to add the original, which was principal, right? Which was 28,500. And of course, we'll add that. Hold on, we'll add this now. Calculator give me 33, 630. And that would be the end of class. So tomorrow we'll do the other two, and then we're gonna look at more consumer arithmetic, all right? Anybody out there watch this? So remember, you always have to think to yourself. So guys, we're gonna end for today. We're giving you 5 minutes, because I want to deserve it. Good job, good job. So see you
Bye,
guys.
sir.
Bye. Take care. See you
Bye,
guys
sir.
tomorrow. All right, take care. Tomorrow, guys. Great job.
Bye,
You
sir.
guys are awesome. Bye. Take care.
Sir, bye.
Yeah, take care. Tomorrow we look at these. I probably can add a couple more, all right? You guys are awesome. Let's stop the recording because we're gonna switch device. No. If any CXC person there, just give me a time, guys. As soon as we switch the device. We start in 2 minutes. 4 minutes we have to start.